Okay, here we go. I am making progress. I'm just going to post another video just because, I worked on this for a little bit, a few minutes, and was making some good progress. And then it's a little bit tiring. It's time consuming. But where I'm coming on this is you can see that the sanding is coming out really nice. It looks a lot like the factory. And one thing I'm also finding as I'm sanding is it looks like I'm actually just removing some kind of a clear coat. And I keep wondering if this stuff is actually clear coat, because I can't find where the actual metal is even really being pitted. So that's kind of what I'm coming up with. I haven't tried to put any moly or any of that blue magic on the on these areas yet to see how it fixes some of the clear coat, but I'm just trying to be real careful not to touch any of this with sandpaper. But yeah, it's coming out really nice. Here's the other side. It still looks like crud, but I'm finding there's few places where you can see where they end the sanding, and you've got the casting right here. And I noticed here around the bright caliper there's a clear area where they only sand to a specific spot. Found this over here as well. Like they don't sand the casting marks off of certain areas, so really there's just specific areas you have to sand, and it's coming out real nice. And based on the dust that I'm getting down here that's falling, this doesn't even seem like aluminum at all. It's just like it's a clear coat. So here's an update. I'll keep posting some more videos. I figure this will probably help some people out. I tried using this sanding block, especially around these areas. It made it really easy for me to make a smooth transition, so I can kind of match what they did at the factory right there in that area, so I get a good line. But down here be a little bit harder to do because some of these areas have kind of a curve to it. So a sanding block's not going to get those areas, but yeah, that's kind of what I'm coming up with. All right, thanks.